What's up, guys? So today we're gonna play a little bit of chicken nugget roulette. So we got honey, sweet and sour, and sriracha. And my boy Tim here is working on a YouTube video. Hey, say what's up. Say what's up, Tim. Switch around. Switch around.
What up?
Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Tell everybody subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Subscribe to King Micah.
Appreciate you, appreciate you. Appreciate you, appreciate you. Alright, but yeah, so we're gonna play this chicken nugget roulette. It's gonna be fun. If you roll a 2 or a 5, you get honey. If you roll a 3 or a 4, you get sweet and sour. But if you roll a 1 or a 6, you gotta dip your chicken nugget in sriracha. Alright, Zane, you wanna go first, or Molly, you wanna go first?
I'll go first.
Alright, go ahead, Zane. Roll it. Roll it. Can we keep it on the table?
Yeah, we'll try.
All right, go.
What's
Roll it.
4?
Roll it. Just roll it. What'd you get?
3.
A 3. So sweet and sour. Dip your chicken nugget in sweet and sour.
I hope that's sweet and sour.
All right, Molly, you're up. Roll it. What you get? A 1. The first victim to sriracha. Just do a little bit. Just dip a little bit in there. Don't give up. Sriracha claims its first victim.
I got sweet and sour, so I'm eating
Sriracha claims this first victim. Zane, stop double dipping. You realize we only have one sauce?
Oh.
So Zane already done ruined the whole video because he wants to double dip in all the sauces.
How dare he? Ungrateful. The audacity.
Yeah, like he ain't got no home training. You alright, dude. Just go get another sweet and sour.
Hey, look what I found.
Just go get another sweet and sour.
Okay.
Alright, it's my time.
2.
2 is honey, my favorite.
These are, I hope I don't get swatch again.
Here, Zane, this is your personal sweet and sour since you want to double dip. All right, Zane, you're up.
Oh. My left one's gonna.
What'd you roll?
4.
4, it sweet and sour. Yep, Smalls.
It's gonna be a 106.
She got a 6. Oh man. Yeah, you all right?
Can I double dip in my own?
Yeah, you can double dip in your own.
Deal.
She's out. You tapping out? All right, it's my turn. All right, let's see what I get. Call it, Tim. What do you think I'm? Call it, Tim. What do you think I'm gonna get?
3.
It's a 6.
You got times 2. I'm the only person who hasn't been.
All right, I got sriracha.
Daddy.
Am I ain't afraid no sriracha?
Again?
I ain't afraid no sriracha.
Do it in one bite then.
Okay, man. Okay.
Yeah, eat the entire nugget.
Okay, it's a little spicy. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little spicy, but I don't need no water. No, you up, Z. 4. Sweet and sour again. You have only rolled sweet and sour. All right, Molly, you're up. You gotta eat your nugget. Eat the whole nugget. You forgot to eat your old nugget. All right, roll for your next turn. For this turn. I ain't gonna count it because it didn't roll. Even though it was a 6, you would have had to have sriracha 3 times in a row. What is that? A 2. She get honey. Molly's unlucky, bro. She's gotten sriracha 3 times in a row, but I gave her a
Sweet and
reroll.
sour. She didn't get honey.
What is that?
Sour.
Oh, dang.
A 2?
Yeah.
A 2 is honey.
Oh.
It's not your turn. You better get out the nuggets.
Oh.
Over here, jumping line. A 2. Honey again. Yeet, yeet.
Dude, chill.
I'm waiting to poo. You know I love that honey.
Okay.
You're up.
3. Sweet and sour.
Nope, that don't count. That wasn't a real roll. Reroll. 5.
5. Which
Honey.
one? Honey? Yeah, I get to try something new.
Rate the hand if you have had sriracha.
Honey is sticky though.
I've had sriracha once. Molly is really gotten sriracha 3 times in a row.
I don't like
Feels
honey.
bad. All right, Molly, you're up.
Honey do taste good.
You over there babying them nuggets. She got a 4. Sweet and sour. Notice how she went and got another nugget, Zane? See how she got a different nugget so she didn't have to double dip? You see that? How she got a different nugget? So she didn't double dip and have to have her own personal one?
It's hard.
Alright, there's not very many left. Zane, for your next turn, you want to hit the sriracha?
Yeah.
Do it for the memes. Do it for the memes. Nah, dude, that's not what it was. It was a 6. That's sriracha.
Oh, what's a 6?
Yeah.
You're bullying me.
Get it.
It's a 6.
6, dude! It wasn't a 6!
Get it.
Everybody else has had sriracha.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
It's not that spicy? You good? You need some water? You breathing a little heavy? Your ears are a little red.
It's not super bad.
It's good?
Ow.
Alright. Zane, you really did roll a 4, but I just wanted you to try the sriracha. Alright. My turn. That's vengeance right there. That's karma. That is
Go.
karma.
Hey, Dad, for the next time, can I have 2? I want to double the chances because I only have sriracha once. I want to have 2. Can I roll twice next time?
Go, Molly.
Turn because there's not going to be an equal amount once we're done.
I
One.
hate this.
You can re-roll.
Yeah.
But if you get it again, you have to have it. 5. Honey.
Honey? Hey, she didn't double dip.
No.
Oh. Molly,
You're good.
honey's
You're good.
sticky.
Oh, you're good. Alright. Alright, Z, you're up.
I got sweet and sour the other way on top, so like
You got a 5. You re-rolling?
Yeah.
5 is honey.
I don't like honey.
No, that is not a re-roll. That is
I
not
got
count.
a 1. I thought that you wanted me to get sriracha.
Alright, go ahead. I got you.
No, it's fine.
Nah. Here, this one's special just for you. It's not spicy, right?
Stunk.
It's not spicy, right?
dip it in sweet and sour.
It's not spicy.
Oh
Here.
my frick.
Here. It's not spicy.
That's too far.
It's not spicy. Go ahead. One bite it. One bite challenge. One bite challenge. One bite challenge.
I just like you.
One bite challenge. Look, he's done for.
What
You got it? You can handle it? Good job. Alright, he handled it. No water? You gonna throw up? Was it good?
No.
No! Look! He had to get the water. I thought you was good, Z. You ain't good? Then you want to roll off for the last nugget? Me versus you? Who wins the last nugget?
2.
2.
Let's go. Let's go.
Or you can dip it in whatever you want. Where are you gonna go? What you gonna put it in? Sweet and sour. That's your fave?
Yes.
Alright, tell everybody thanks for watching. Sign us out. I'll give you permission to talk with your mouth full. No? That's the one and only time you're gonna have permission to do it. Sign us out.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Sub.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, sub.